Outstanding design defines the 2015 Chrysler Town Country. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle rocks its class with 6-cylinder efficiency and distinctive styling. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. It includes leather upholstery, power front seats, front fog lights, and a blind spot monitoring system. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Chrysler's rigorous certification process. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.